Welcome back. Myself Ashutosh Maurya, and today we are going to learn how to convert a text into audio in Python.
I was not speaking it. Then who did? Well, our Python script did for us. So today I will let you know how to convert a text into audio in Python. So let's jump into the notebook and start coding. We will import our library pysstx3. Then we will take a variable named speak equal to pysstx3 dot init. We will take another variable named text equal to our text. Welcome back. Myself Ashutosh Maurya, and today we are going to learn how to convert a text into audio in Python. Now we can speak dot say text and speak dot run wait run and wait, and let's run our code and see what happens.
Welcome back. Myself Ashutosh Maurya, and today we are going to learn how to convert a text into audio in Python.
Okay, our code is working. I hope you have learned the concept, and I am going to make lots of videos regarding Python because you deserve quality videos.